Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to quickly put your iPhone on recovery mode or DFU mode when you want to update or restore your iPhone. So what you need to do is connect your iPhone to your computer. It can either be a Mac or a Windows. Once your phone is connected to the computer, you quick tap the volume up button, quick tap the volume down button, then you hold down the power button for about 20 seconds until the desktop logo pops up. Even when the Apple logo comes on, do not let go. Hold it down until the desktop logo pops up. Now you let go. So once you do this, you get a notification asking if you want to update or restore. So if you no longer want to do any of this, or you're no longer interested to update or restore your phone, you can easily exit the DFU mode or recovery mode by just disconnecting your iPhone and holding down the power button until the Apple logo comes on. Once the Apple logo comes on, your phone is back on without losing any information. So guys, for more tips like this, please do not forget to subscribe. Guys, in my next video.